One question our future members frequently ask us is, what is a relevant role? A relevant role is a job where a proportion of a trainee's time is spent on activities and tasks related to accounting, finance, audit and assurance, or in other related technical areas such as taxation, insolvency, and forensic accounting. ACCA trainees work in every sector and size of organization. Therefore, wherever you work, it's important for you to look for the opportunities that will help you meet your PER on your journey to ACCA membership. However, if your job only includes some accountancy or finance work, this is not a problem, as the time you spend on these relevant activities can still count towards your 36 months experience. You'll just accrue your time more slowly, as you'll need to record the amount of time you spend on relevant activities. Let's walk through an example. If you only spend 50% of your working time on accounting or finance tasks, you can claim 6 months out of a possible 12 as relevant time. When you record your role in your PER recording tool, you must input the percentage of time you spend on accountancy or finance activities as 50%. The relevant time you can claim will then be calculated automatically. Our future members can use experience from previous roles, voluntary work, work placements and internships towards their PER, including experience gained before registering with ACCA. If you're using previous experience, then the person who supervised your work at that time must be able to review and sign off your experience. A suitably qualified supervisor is a person who is a member of an IFAC member body, or someone who is qualified by law in the country that you're based, to act as an accountant. Only these supervisors who have overseen your work can approve and sign off your performance objectives. A supervisor who is not qualified but has overseen your work within an organization can approve your time in a role only. You might be asking, what if you're not working in a relevant role? You should still update your PER recording tool to record details of your employment. The time you spend in this role will not count towards your 36 months relevant experience. However, if your work is supervised by a suitably qualified person, then you may be able to achieve the following performance objectives while working in this role. 2. Stakeholder relationship management. 3. Strategy, innovation, and sustainable value creation. 5. Leadership and management. Alternatively, if your current job offers no opportunities for accountancy or finance-related work, it may be necessary to find a job that does. You could also gain experience by doing voluntary work for clubs, charities, or associations over and above your paid employment. ACCA recommends you use the range of career resources in ACCA Careers to help you to gain a relevant job. So we've looked at relevant roles and non-relevant roles, and we mentioned that these need to be supervised and who can supervise. So you might now be wondering about those that are self-employed and don't have a supervisor who can sign off their time. In order for your work experience to count towards your PER, it must be supervised and verified by a suitably qualified person. While you can provide basic bookkeeping and certain other services direct to the public, this cannot count towards the PER because it is not supervised. However, if you provide basic bookkeeping and other accountancy work that is supervised, for example on a subcontract basis, this may count towards your PER. We're also frequently asked if lecturing experience counts towards PER. And the good news is that it can. If you're working as a lecturer, you can claim a maximum of 12 months lecturing experience towards the 36 months PER. Your lecturing experience must be at a minimum level that is equivalent to the applied skills papers. You would mark a role as lecturing within your PER recording tool, which will automatically limit the time claimed to 12 months. When you then apply for membership, you'll need to submit information regarding the subjects taught to ensure this is at the required level. Thanks for watching.